Did you know accelerometers can ensure perfect bolt tension? Skip the guesswork and hit your precision targets every single time with this advanced, data-driven fastening method. Old school carpentry is all about grit and intuition. By using an axe for beam alignment, builders rely on leverage and a steady eye to coax uneven timber into place with remarkable, time-tested precision. Don't overlook log slices for stunning floors. Their raw, natural cross-sections add instant rustic soul to any space. Hooking two wheelbarrows together is a total game changer. It essentially doubles your capacity and lets you move twice the load in half the trips. Relocating an entire home is a feat of modern engineering. Using specialized trailers, this remote-controlled heavy hauler effortlessly maneuvers 150-ton structures to their new destinations. Left with damaged tiles? Before you scrap them, try this simple hack to turn trash into a masterpiece. When the right tool is out of reach, ingenuity takes over. These DIY wrenches tackle stubborn fasteners through nothing but raw, creative problem solving. Give fallen timber a second life as bespoke furniture. With nothing more than a chainsaw and a deep power wash, you can turn raw tree waste into rugged, comfortable seating for your home or garden. Check out this clever welding hack that breathes new life into scrap metal, turning forgotten wrenches and old frames into high-end artistic seating. Mounting a laser level to your tool guarantees dead straight alignment and pinpoint accuracy when applying adhesives or decorative materials. Bending heavy rebar for a massive project? Let the tractor do the muscle work. It's a brilliant way to save your back and speed up the job. Turn cracked tiles into custom mosaic masterpieces. It's a clever way to upcycle construction debris into stunning, one-of-the-kind flooring. Turn your dusty old paperbacks into a soulful gallery wall. This clever trick repurposes vintage pages as eye-catching art, giving your home a sophisticated, storied vibe. It's more than just decor, it's about giving classic literature a beautiful second life. Ever thought about using a vintage bathtub for mixing concrete? It's actually a brilliant DIY hack. These deep basins are incredibly tough, and that built-in drain makes washing out the leftover grit and sludge a total breeze. Choosing this affordable route gives you that classic wood aesthetic without actually touching a single plank. It definitely takes plenty of concrete and some serious elbow grease, but the stunning transformation is totally worth it.